How to use the Beeswax Lip Balm Kit. First, start with filling a saucepan with 1 inch of water and place on burner. Turn the heat to medium. Place 1 tablespoon of beeswax into a clean, dry 8-ounce glass jar. Carefully place the jar in your pan of warm water. Make sure no water gets into the jar or it will ruin your lip balm. Don't allow the water to boil. Beeswax will take about 5 minutes to melt, stirring occasionally. Now that your beeswax is completely melted and clear, you will add 1 tablespoon of shea butter and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Allow these all to melt together, using a stick to stir until all ingredients are combined and melted. Using something to protect your hand, you will remove the jar from the pan. You will now use your flavor oil. Using a pipette, add 20 drops of flavor to the lip balm mixture and stir well. If you are using essential oil, make sure you add 1 drop at a time. Now using a pipette to transfer the warm lip balm into the tubes. If the lip balm begins to harden in the pipette, place the pipette in the glass jar, place the jar in the water, add heat to the pan and allow the lip balm to remelt. Once all lip balms are filled, you will set aside to cool and harden. Now that you know how to do this kit, we hope you enjoy it with your students.